Hi and welcome. So we're watching this video because we want to be able to create an open caption version of a video that you have both the video file and the captions for. And open caption is when you have a video showing captions, but rather than having the ability to toggle them on and off, they stay on the video and burned in. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some free programs that have trial versions that you may need to pay for later, but at least we'll show you the concept and show you some other tips and tools to help you use these programs. So TitleBee is a program that is a free download for Windows that gives people the ability to create subtitle videos, but it also allows them to create open caption videos. Right now there's a free version that allows three projects, so you can check it out for yourself. I have a version, and what I also have is a video and a caption file in VTT, which is a very widely acceptable web caption file type format. So if I go over to TitleBee, to my TitleBee right here, it's asking me to drop a movie file. So what I do is I drag my movie into TitleBee, and then I'm able to start creating captions for this video. So if I don't have an existing caption file, I'm able to just start going away and typing in one. So I would go through that process, and then when I'm done with the entire movie, I would click export, and it has the option down here at the bottom to do a hard subbed movie file, and even describes it. That's a movie file with subtitles painted on the video permanently and cannot be switched off, which is open captions. Now, that's if I don't have the caption file, but I do have the caption file. So what I would do here is I would go to Edit Track List, and I would go to Import. And then what I would do is, wait a minute, this is where my caption file is supposed to be. Oh, but wait, TitleBee only accepts SRT, STL, and SCC files, and mine was VTT, which is kind of frustrating. I hear TitleBee is going to allow VTT in the future, but right now, if all you have is VTT, we need a workaround. So there's this other website, which is subtitletools.com, and it has a free option to help you convert subtitles into SRT. So what I would do here is go to this website, click on choose files. There's my caption files as a VTT, and do open. Then just do convert, and it's going to then convert my file and download it for me. So now when I download this back into that file folder, let's just leave it as is for now. And now that that's done, if I go back to TitleBee, there it is, because it's an acceptable file format. I click open, and here's my track right here. So obviously now that I have a full one, I don't need the one that I was working on, so I'm going to delete that one. That way this is the only track, and this is the subtitle file playing over my video, and I can watch it back. Now I would just go down to the export button in the bottom and do hard subbed movie file, and there are other options like how I can change the type and certain types of resolution settings, and then the quality of this video. But after you're happy with your options, you just click OK, and it'll go through the process of creating a movie for you. And now that this is almost done, and now that it's finished, we just can go over and see there's a new movie file in my folder, and if I click to open it, I will see a video that's looking a lot like it's got these captions burned in. So there you go. That's how easy it is to use and very quick, especially if you already have a caption file in SRT. But also don't forget about this subtitletools.com converter, which will really help you out. So thanks for watching.